Welcome back to my channel. It's incredible. So as you've seen the thumbnail and as you have read the title, you must have got idea what I'm going to do in this video. But before that, I want to tell that these days girls are ashamed to tell that they love makeup because people give lots of names and they think that makeup is a fake face, and they give lots of tags to them who do makeup, but it's our personal choice that we want to do makeup or not. uh, Many of us has makeup as passion, also as profession, so no one has right to say that makeup is fake and we should be natural always. If you want to do, you should do it. If you love, then openly say that yes, we love makeup. This content is just for fun and I'm going to show you the power of makeup. So without wasting time, let's jump into the video. So basically what I'm going to do is I'm going to transform my right side of my face using makeup, and my left side is going to be as it is. So let's start. So as always, first I'm going to use the aloe vera gel on right side of my face. Next I'm going to apply the foundation. Next I'm going to apply the concealer. Moving ahead, I'm going to do my brows with the brown gel liner. So I'm done with my brows and I'm just going to sharpen the edges. I have applied the concealer around my eyebrows. Okay, I know I'm looking weird, but now we'll go ahead and set my face with the compact powder. So for bronzing my face, I'm going to take the Swiss Beauty Fashion Artist palette shade number 1, and I'm going to bronze my face with this shade. Next, by taking this Swiss Beauty HD Professional palette shade number 3, I'm going to take this peachy shade as blush. So before moving toward the eyes, I'm going to apply some loose powder under my eye so that if I'm getting any fallout, I can just dust it off. So for applying shade in my crease, I'm going to mix this and this shade. So I've blended it properly, and now I'm going to take the black gel liner. Basically I'm going to do a black smoky eye. And by taking a black gel liner, I'm just going to apply it on all over my lids. And just blend it properly. Next I'm going to pick this matte black and apply it on my lid. Next, by taking the brown shade, I'm going to apply it in. Next, by applying mascara, I'm going to finish my eye look. I'm going to apply nice 3-4 coats. Now I'll dust off the loose powder which I applied. For lips, I'm going to apply the Maybelline New York Color Sensational Made Easy. It looks so weird applying lipstick only on half of our lips. So guys, I'm done with my look, and as you can see, the power of makeup. So guys, if you like the idea of with and without makeup video, so please don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to my YouTube channel. It's incredible. See you all in the next video. Bye.